It smells like him put in a bun then. No, you know. I'm going to tell him someone does the bun.
Five. Wow.
Why me a call the phone and not get you?
Come on, Five, man. You know I'm up on the road, man. I don't deal with the phone thing on the road, but man, you know that already.
So you mean for tell me, say, if me are dead, me can't call you for save me?
Come on, man.
And the next thing, when you in a Winston, police come here today and say you is a person of interest. What you do? What you really and truly do?
Five. We have to talk about this now?
Yes, we have to talk about this now. So you tell me say, suppose police did come today and lock me up and say me involved in a way you involved in a.
Me run off the ground when me used to depend. See me? Like a contractor boy come over on my side. Get few of the youth them for put in some work for him. You see me? $50,000 and I go on like him now and give them the money. So I go up on film ground. Take $100,000 out of things and come give the youth them the money. And hold 50,000 for myself. For film in distractions. You understand what I say?
Oh, so you feel like you play a superhero?
Superhero what you talk about?
You didn't know if them same one kidnap me? Eh?
I'm gonna tell you if you allow me deal with this or I know if I deal with this man.
But every now and then you gone a country and left me one young.
Five, me not done tell you say I farming me I do a country man.
Well, here what? You see the next time you go, me a come. Make sure come here one of the farmer them too. Smell like skillion. Dog bed, where are you here?
Goody, I check my come check by you now.
Through the bartender knock you out and I make you stay here for a couple of days. Nobody feel like say, me and you back together again and you can go and come as you feel.
Goody, I miss you, babe. I'm really sorry about what happened with me and Brownie, you know.
Nobody waste your breath, nor my time, cause me don't want to hear it. You make me look like idiot with a bartender girl there. And it's not the first time you do it.
Goody, I never know nothing with none of your other bartender, them, you know. You just always assume certain things.
Oh, so I assume it brown into. That bed, you take out my wig and carry the girl camp and picnic. And make the people in money look at me like a fool. You hurt me, you know? God no. But done with you, like, you're done.
Goody, hurt you? Make you feel like a fool? Goody, you treat me like shit. Every time I have a disagreement, you put me outside for sleep on the dog bed. And you, my friend, them call me so now, you know. How you think so me must feel?
You look okay.
So what me I talk about? You only care about your feelings. You don't care about mine. You see, you stop showing me love. Now you just treat me like a boy.
Act like a man and me treat you like a man.
From the record company sue me, I'ma lose everything I have. You start move away. Remember say, me and youth, we used to have my things. I have my money, I have my house, I have my car. I used to give you anything you want. You were able to forget them things eh? Goody, no matter what you want to say about me, you know one thing. I'm gonna always love you. I'm gonna do anything for you. But if you stop showing me love, what you think will happen?
So why you never come talk to me about it? About how you feel?
Goody, you always a cuss. We not talk about nothing again.
We don't even talk anymore. And we don't even know what we argue about. Don't even say I love
I never know how someone make you feel. I know say you love me. I'm love you too. Sometime.
So I could go upstairs and...
Not so quick. You can reach the side. By the way, you know see a girl come up here with you with a whole pan, but she had the man pay. They beg you want her, you know.
Goody, me and Brownie nine and nothing again. I'm done with her.
So you're trying to tell me, say, from you left up here so you don't see her?
I'm not hear from her. I'm not talk to her. I don't know nothing about her right now.
You can leave now.
Goody.
No bother with it.
Miss Goody?
Who that?
That's none of your business.
If this is a bad time, you know, I can come back.
Yeah man, you can come back next time man.
No, he was just leaving.
Oh, thanks.
Try bring back my cup later.
Goody. Fool on it.
Yeah, man. So tell me something, how the hospital thing work out? Oh, good. How much? 100,000? Ah, not that I know still in the bills, but we make it reach in the next 2 days. We call you back.
What's up, sugar?
So, how has your morning been so far?
Productive. The online production sales got better now since the world opened up. So how yours?
It'll go on good until I have to let go to the boy them from over the gully.
Why?
And my teeth things off my sight.
So Carlton, you're not afraid them come back with two of them bad man. The gullies are dangerous place enough.
Come back to who? You got joking around in my contract then? Every house that me build in a ghetto area, me make sure so the youth them get work. But if them bite the hand we feed them, then I send them home. I them feel brave enough to come after me, then make the evening news.
You just be careful.
And then you need to tell that one careless boy robbed me and get away. I'm still not done with him yet.
You know you're very condescending, Carlton.
Kinda what? Call it what you want to call it. I send more and send him to Jamaica. Boy, rob 100,000 worth of things off of my site and then sell it and share the money. But look, I tell you, man, I forget about my things then.
Carlton, stop. Don't spoil the lunch date. Plus, I have something to celebrate.
What that?
Them fine 5.
What? 5 get away?
Get where?
No, well, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Give me a minute. Yo, all make 5 get away. What? Yo, what is that such a idiot, man? Oh, now get the $100,000 now. Yo, hear me say. Don't make me soon, you know. Go on the yard. Me get people who can deal with this properly. Gonna set a handicap.
Carlton, everything alright?
Yeah. Just a little misunderstand, miss up at work, you know. But tell the idiot boy to lock away some material in a safe place and it end up missing.
Okay.
So, tell the boy you're a higher idiot, you know.
That's true.
None of sense.
This is vegetables, chicken steak, some white rice, some pepper sauce.
Thank you.
Alright, you enjoy.
Carlton, you look restless.
No, I'm good. Let's eat. That look good.
This is going to be a tricky case now, Miss Goody. Her police report said that you and your accomplice attacked her, beat her, and then you used the iron chair to hit her in her head 6 times.
A lie she a tell. I sorry I never dropped the chair in her head for true.
No, calm down, Miss Goody, calm down. Don't get emotional. Emotional leads to being irrational. You just tell me what happened on the day of the incident.
My employer for working on my bar. She started take my man. Better yet, my ex, right? I asked the two of them on numerous occasions if them in a things, them say no. Now I put the icing on the cake, him go take out my wig and gear and then go on date.
And you found this out how?
Nothing I hide in the community, yeah. A picture I circulate and my friend get it on her phone and come show me as some know.
And you're absolutely positive this was your wig.
Yes, sir. After me an idiot.
Tyrone is fine.
So, Mr. Tyrone.
Hold on. For the last time, just Tyrone.
Tyrone. Now, in a court, them question you gonna ask?
Miss Goody, this is just a consultation. If you want me to be the best lawyer for you, just give me all the details, everything, and then I will prepare the best defense for your case.
Sorry if I sound annoyed, but every time when I think our dog bed try to take me for idiot, trust me, it hurt my heart.
Excuse me, but your boyfriend's name is Dog Bed.
A DBM nickname. We just call him Dog Bed. His real name is Damien Birds.
Hey, I don't want you to think I'm prying. But why Dog Bed?
Because I just want to make him sleep. When him go like he want to take me for fool.
Well, it seems to me that you need someone who appreciates you.
You think so?
Well, it's obvious to me that any man, dog bed, whoever it is, would make a woman like you lower your standards and have a physical altercation with some other woman. It's obvious he doesn't know what he has.
Had.
Excuse me?
Yeah, past tense. Had. We're not together anymore.
Really?
Yeah, really. So we asked about the case now.
Oh yes. Right. We need to establish that she's lying about you hitting her in her head with a stool.
I think you did believe her.
Miss Goody, I've
Goody. Just say Goody.
Goody. Is that your real name?
No.
What is it?
Simone.
Simone. Simone. Simone. Well, Simone, I've been a lawyer for a very long time. And one thing I'm sure about, that people will go all out just to win a case. And it's very hard for me to believe that a strong, well-built woman like yourself could hit her in her head with a stool or a chair 6 times and she makes it to the police station. One hit would be enough.
Listen, at that I tell them up at the station, but you know some of them police here, well, like them not have no sense.
Tell me about it.
Watch out, man, not even realize I'm gonna offer you something for drink.
Water is fine.
Yeah, Christian?
No, but I'm working.
But you know they are work. You come for consult. I have a red stripe, Guinness, dragon, and white wine. What you want?
I definitely think I'll have some of your wine.
Come feet now.
Girl, your body turn up, your well, turn up, your bleaching, turn up, your lifestyle, turn up. Girl, your body turn up, your hairstyle, turn up, your friend them, turn up, tattoo them, turn up. Girl,
Hey man, I know you see me call them. Why you reject them?
Brownie, right now I'm not there on the talking thing, you know, bro.
Damien!
Brownie, when me used to share, that done.
Don, look how much things we got through together that DV.
Brownie, you know me I go through right now for try to get back my man.
I really good you there start talk about? Goody beat you, Goody put you out. And I'm me come see you there still there start talking about Goody DV.
I love that Brownie.
Hey man.
Brownie, I'm gonna ask you something. Out of all of the money you have, what you want from me?
Hey man. People might feel like I have a whole heap of man. But the truth is, I can't them. Them expect sex from me, so me take the money and promise them. But me don't want none of them. You don't really say you alone I want. And you're the only person really tell me to follow my dreams. You're the only person I actually love. You know, see that?
Alright, Brownie, listen to me. It's like how I tell you to follow your dreams, I want you continue to do that. But right now, I have somebody else in my dreams. I just want you to understand. Alright?
Yeah, man. Damien. Damien. I'm pregnant.
But I win them.
Or rob 100,000 worth of goods off of the site. Then share it up. Like. Let's look at the worries.
You want to say you're not getting none? I'm yelling my pocket up, you're not getting none.
Action.
Goody. Goody, me and Browning. Wait, what's the line again?
Action.
I know you love me. I'm gonna love you too. Sometime.
So I could go upstairs and you show me.
No matter with it. You know, I want to get the coffee face quick, chop. I asked the two of them, whole heap of time, if them inner things, them say no. What? John? Oh, Jesus Christ. I can't say it. Oh, I can't put the words together.
This will be a tricky case now, Miss Goody. Her police report said that you and her